The most important step after creating your account is to add all your devices for testing to the list of the devices. When participating in a project, the most crucial aspect is to add the relevant device to the list. For example, if you're working on a project that involves validating QR code scanning within a smartphone app after sending a package from a post office, you'll need to have a smartphone on your list of devices for testing. To add a device to your account, you'll first need to navigate to the Devices page. You can do this by clicking the Devices icon in the navigation. Once you're on the Devices page, you'll find options to add your first device. Click the Add Your First Device button or Add a Device in the action bar below to open a modal for device selection. After opening the modal, you'll see different categories, such as computers, smart TVs, smartphones, streaming devices, tablets, and wearables. Selecting the right category to find the device you need is essential. Let's go over what you can find in each category. Computers. Here you can add Windows, macOS, and similar devices. Smart TVs. If you own smart TVs like Android TV, LG WebOS, or Samsung Tizen, you'll find them here. Smartphones. As the name suggests, you can add Android or iOS devices to this category. Streaming. If you have devices like Apple TV, Xiaomi Mi Box, or Fire TV Stick, this category is for you. Tablets. Here you can add tablet devices like iPad or Samsung Galaxy Tab. Wearables. If you own devices like an Apple Watch or Samsung Gear, they can be added here. Remember, after selecting a corresponding device, you'll also need to choose an OS version and browsers, if applicable, to activate the Add Device button. Once it becomes active, you can add the device by clicking on it. If you can't find your specific device or OS version in the list, don't worry. Our database is constantly evolving to include new devices and versions. You can request to add a device or OS version by contacting us through the chat feature on the platform, and that's how you add devices for testing to your account.